Hey guys, good morning. Today, this little girl is going to the... Where are you going later?
To the dentist and my favorite, and I also going to the store.
So she have a dentist appointment for the first time. Well, second time. She went already before for her teeth control, and now she's coming back there and she's excited to go to the dentist.
Brush your teeth.
But first we need to eat, huh? So may dentist appointment nga siya mamaya. So normally makaka-experience siya na
Don't forget to like it.
first time kasi may mga butas sa ngipin niya. So makaka-experience siya ng what? Okay.
Don't forget to like and subscribe on our videos, and don't forget to hit that like button.
Yeah, so first time makaka-experience siya ng laughing gas. Yung parang anesthesia na nilalanghap lang.
I'm going out. He does.
So magiging high siya mamaya. So guys, samahan niyo kayo mamaya sa dentist appointment ni Ayla. Dito lang sa Sirgis Family
He does
Vlog sa Belgium. Ay! Okay, naihatid na namin si Ate Macy sa school. So ngayon, we're going to the dentist. Are you excited to go to the dentist?
I'm a snake.
And we are here on Ayla's dentist. Are you excited to clean her teeth? She's not scared. So it's called Practech 318 Tandarts. And ibig sabihin ng Tandarts and dentist. Dentisten. Ay, be careful. Oh, come on, up, Pumche. Yeah.
Your jacket's really soft.
Yeah, pass up. Oh, come on, we go inside.
Hands down. Why? Why, Mom?
Come on, we go inside. Happy pa siya. Hindi pa siya nakaka-experience ng pain sa ngipin eh. Tingnan natin kung next time ganyan pa din siya ka-happy pagpunta ng dentist. Alright, inscribing natin siya. So dito nga, ito yung waiting room na may mga pangbata at TV. Okay, we gonna wait for your dentist. So this is her dentist. Are you shy? So this is the clinic. Dentist. Clinic of the dentist. So anong gagawin kay Ayla? They found a little some holes sa ngipin niya. So dito kahit bata pa pinapadentist na para maiwasan yung pagkasira ng ngipin sa yung yung tooth pain, yung sumakit ng ngipin, toothache, and also para ma-guide din yung ngipin sa pagtubo in the future at maiwasan yung pagbe-brace. So kaya maaga pa lang inaagapan na. Kahit 4 years old pa lang si Ayla, meron na siyang dentist appointment at mayroong mga treatment na sa ngipin niya. So hindi na niya ma-experience yung pagsakit ng ngipin at pagtubo ng ngipin niya na mga permanent nakaayos na, maiwasan natin yung pagbe-brace at magastos yun. Pero of course, siyempre may mga situation na hindi din kayang iwasan yun. But in this case, yun nga, yun yung tinatry na i-avoid. So let's just wait for the dentist kay doctor. So guys, bago nga pala natin ituloy itong video na ito, kami nga pala ang Sirgis Family, a Filipino family who's living here in Belgium. Sinusubukan namin i-content ang buhay namin dito sa Belgium, maipakita sa inyo ang mga bagay-bagay, mga cost ng living, saka yung mga lugar na pwedeng puntahan dito sa Belgium. So just don't forget to subscribe and like our YouTube page to support us. Salamat. Okay, tuloy na natin ang video. Yabang. Bubo talaga naman ka.
Mooie vlecht. Wie heeft die vlecht gemaakt?
Papa. Papa. siya. Paano nga ba namin nalaman na kailangan ng magpa-dentist ng aking anak na si Ayla? Dito nga sa Belgium, simula nung pinanganak sila ay nakamonitor na ang health nila. So may tinatawag kaming kinengisin, sila yung nagmo-monitor at sila din yung nagbibigay ng mga necessarying vaccination sa kanila. At pag hindi mo finalo yung program ng kinengisin, ay maki-question ka ng government kung bakit hindi mo binigay yung mga necessarying vaccination. Gawa nga may natatanggap kaming mga pera galing sa government na suporta ng gobyerno, patulong sa amin para sa mga anak namin, kailangan namin i-follow yung mga rules and regulations na binibigay sa amin, katulad nga nung pagmomonitor ng mga health ng aming mga anak. So, simula pa nung baby sila, meron na silang control sa pandinig, sa paningin, sa paano yung paglaki nila, yung paglaki ng ulo nila, ng brain development, saka yung mga flexibility ng mga buto nila. Talagang naka-record yan para kung may problema man, magawa na kaagad ng paraan. So, ngayon medyo malaki na sila, napasok na sila sa school. Yung control ng health nila ay ginagawa na sa school. So, every year, may mga pumupunta doon sa school nila para i-control yung kanilang health. So, talagang taon-taon, chinecheck kung okay pa yung pang-dinig nila, yung mata nila, yung ngipin nila, or yung mga balat nila, kung may rashes ba, etc. etc. So, yung nagko-control na yon, sila ang nagsasuggest kung may dapat gawin sa mga bata. Which is, kaya din namin nalaman na kailangan magpa-dentist ng aming anak na si Ayla is na-check yung ngipin niya at may mga butas na nga. So, dahil bata pa si Ayla, magko-complain lang yan pag may nasakit na. Dahil dun sa check-up na ginagawa sa school, nalalaman namin na may mga dapat na pala kaming gawin, especially katulad nito sa ngipin ni Ayla, na-avoid yung mga bigger problems.
Of course, these are milk teeth, so they will fall out, but the silver one will fall out when she is about 12 years old.
Okay,
so it's one of the last ones to fall out. It's also a reason why we need to keep it this like strong, because you need it for a few more years.
Yeah.
But for now, everything will be all right on this side. We still have another appointment, I think.
Yeah, coming 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Yeah.
We will need to make one more because there is also a cavity on the upper left side. This is we took the extra additional X-ray today to check this side, and there's also a small cavity in between there. So after today, we need 2 appointments.
I think I already did.
You already made 2? Oh, okay. Then normally it will be just the 2 of them.
Yeah.
We will see how fast it goes for her. I think it will be fine if we treat 2 sides at the same time.
Yeah. Okay.
So then we can just keep 2 appointments. Goed gedaan, meisje. Moet een beetje kijken aan je tand. So she can...
Fun in the dentist. Yeah, you like to come to the dentist? That's not good, huh? It means you have kaput tanda if you come always to the dentist. You need to brush your teeth good. And tapos na nga. Don't run! Hey! I thought you're gonna be I thought you're gonna be calm. Why are you hyper? Hey! You need to be... Let me check your teeth. What they did. Look, don't touch it. Oh, there are a big jacket they put on her teeth because it's good, huh? Okay, we will look at the photo. So guys, kung gusto niyo pong malaman kung magkano ang bill ni Ayla dun sa kanyang dentist appointment kanina, yan po ang inabot ng kanyang treatment ay 632 euro. So, yan po ang binayadan namin kanina, pero of course may maibabalik sa amin dyan galing sa government because of our health care. So, almost 400 euro dyan ay mababalik sa amin kasi ganyan talaga dito sa Belgium. So, guys, yan nga po ang presyo. So, guys, kami nga uli ang Sirdis family, Filipino living here in Belgium. Sana hope you nagustuhan nyo itong video namin, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button to support our page. So, guys, see you guys next time. sa aming mga susunod pang mga content.